you guys enjoyed the last videos of the unboxings for parts for the Camaro, and today we're moving into an unboxing of the FiTech Go EFI 600 Power Adder Edition. They have a pretty good lineup for EFI systems through FiTech, so we're going to do an unboxing, and I really hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's get into this. Okay, so this is the FiTech Go EFI part number 30004. It is the Go EFI 4 Power Adder, 600 horsepower, and it is the black. You can also get it in like a tannish gold and a bare, like silver gray or whatever. So I've already opened this before, but it comes with, you know, the nitrous, learning what all of the stuff means. You get a little catalog and instruction manual and how to set it all up and the things you can do with it and all of that, setting the timing, and a lot of good stuff. So this is a really good product. Did a lot of reviewing on it because I was trying to decide between the Holly Sniper, this, and a couple others, and I finally narrowed it down to this. So first, in this little container, we got one of the sensors, probably a coolant temp sensor. Here you have your little Go EFI computer. This actually mounts on the windshield or on the dash or wherever you want to mount it. Little screen to monitor everything. Then here's the big shebang. Try and get this out of here. It's got 6AN fittings on the back here, inlet, outlet. You can run this with the fuel commands system if you don't have a return style fuel system. I already do, so I'm not even going to do that. I have an upgraded Aeromotive fuel pump, and I'm just going to run it like that. It's an in-tank. I don't have an in-line or anything like that. But here's the whole wiring harness and all that. I'm not going to get too much into that until I start the install video. But first look, this thing is built really well. It's really clean. I love the black finish on it. It's going to look really good with my RPM air gap. That's the black crinkle finish. You got this has a built-in fuel pressure regulator, so you don't have to worry about installing a fuel pressure regulator separately. Really clean. Here, I'll let you guys see kind of down inside. Kind of a close-up of everything. You got one vacuum port on the front, I think 3 on the back. Yeah, you got one here, and then you got your 2 for your like PCV valve and your brake booster, your distributor, the advance on it. I think that's it for the top portion. Then in the bottom, you have the arm that's gonna hold your screen. So you can mount it inside your car, whether you put it up on the windshield or find another good spot for it. But there's the mount for that. I'm guessing this is for depending on where you place the sensors and stuff, but that looks like a plug. Anything. Here's one of the wiring harnesses. I've watched a few install videos on this, and it seems pretty straightforward. This is just some of the cables for the harness that runs to the screen inside your car. These are some clamps in case you don't have a O2 bung already welded into like your header or exhaust. This has a clamp style that you can put on. I will have mine welded in, or it will be in my Dyno Dawn headers. Oh, okay, here's the screw for if you're running a Roots type supercharger. Comes with a small little screw. for in the bottom portion of the EFI system. Then you got another wiring harness. You got your gaskets, your 1-year limited warranty. This is your O2 sensor and plug. And then here's the part that you can put in your exhaust if you want to clamp it on or weld it in. That's basically all that's in the box, I believe, yeah. So I mean, don't worry, there will be an in-depth video on how to install all of this. Really not a whole lot. They make it really easy. Some people might think this is a headache, but this, to switch a vehicle from carbureted to EFI, they actually really simplified this and did a really good job. So I'm really excited to get this in the car. Not only is it going to help because it self-tunes after about 300 to 600 miles, you can tune it yourself after that as well, and it helps improve gas mileage, and who doesn't like that? And the cars I've all watched, as long as everybody hooked them up right, the cars have all fired up, you know, no issues whatsoever. But might be different in my case just because my car hasn't been ran in a really long time and everything in here is new, whereas a lot of the guys that have done install videos of the FiTech unit have just simply taken it out of like their daily driver or their car that they drive, you know, on weekends that's already been running, and just installed this and started it up. But we'll get it done, and I'll show you how to do it all, so stay tuned for that. Let me know what you guys think of this FiTech Go EFI, this 600 power adder edition, just in case I want to run supercharger or nitrous. Haven't decided yet, so.